100SameTree. This Java code checks if two binary trees, represented by root nodes P and Q, are exactly the same in terms of structure and node values. Here's a step-by-step explanation. 1. Base case for null trees. First, it checks if both trees P and Q are null. If they are, it means both trees are the same as they are both empty. So it returns true. 2. Mismatch and nullity. Then it checks if one of the trees is null while the other is not. This means the trees are not the same because one is empty and the other is not. So it returns false. 3. Node value comparison. If both trees are not null, it compares the values at their root nodes, p.val and q.val. If the values are not the same, the trees are not identical, and it returns false. 4. Recursive checks for subtrees. If the root nodes are equal, the method proceeds to check if the left subtrees, p.left and q.left, and the right subtrees, p.right and q.right, are also the same. This is done recursively by calling isSameTree on the left and right children of the current nodes. 5. Combining results. The final return statement uses the logical and operator (n) to combine the results of these recursive checks. For the trees to be considered the same, both the left and right subtrees must be identical. Only if both recursive calls return true, the method will return true, indicating the trees are the same. If either of the recursive checks returns false, the method will return false, indicating the trees are not the same. In summary, this code checks if two binary trees are identical by comparing their structures and node values in a recursive manner.